Welcome to Unscrew English. In today's video, we'll discuss 20 common words that you're probably mispronouncing related to health and wellness. But before we begin, I have an extremely exciting announcement to make. A few days ago, I posted a story poll trying to find out where you guys struggle the most. And this poll suggested that it's not grammar or vocabulary, it's fluency that you struggle with, it's confidence that you struggle with. If that's your story, then I have the perfect masterclass for you. This masterclass is going to focus on fluency, on building confidence and real life conversations. You get chances to speak and get feedback from expert trainers on your speech. Not only this, you'll also get the opportunity to interact with me in this masterclass. If you want any more details, please check out the link in the description box below. This masterclass is presented by InLingua in collaboration with Unscrew English.
आप साइकियाट्रिस्ट को फोन करें.
This word is pronounced as psychiatrist, psychiatrist, not psychiatrist, psychiatrist.
And I've been addressing it even, with my psychiatrist.
आपको कैल्शियम की मतलब कमी नहीं है बिल्कुल भी.
The calcium from my bones was being pulled out.
This word is not pronounced as calcium, it's calcium, calcium.
I have a calcium deficiency.
But you told me to take my calcium pills.
Just consider it my calcium intake for the year.
If we tell you that.
Okay.
Whether it's magnesium, whether it's folic acid.
I started using Swiss Magnesium a couple of months ago.
Similarly, this word is not magnesium, it's magnesium, magnesium.
Better than magnesium wire.
Calcium and magnesium are essential for healing bones.
आप जैसे किसी को अगर डायबिटीज हो या
मैंने डायबिटीज अपनी रिवर्स कर ली.
This word is pronounced as diabetes, diabetes, not diabetes, diabetes.
Diabetes in particular.
In the treatment of diabetes.
इतना काम कर रहे हो और इतनी unhealthy हो, you can have a diabetic stroke like this. Diabetic.
This word is not pronounced as diabetic, it's diabetic, diabetic.
Of diabetics who have type 1 diabetes. Of diabetics.
People who have iron deficiencies, like I have an iron deficiency.
This word is pronounced as iron, iron, not iron, iron.
And I'm highly iron deficient. Let me tell you that.
आपको नहीं लगता कि आप में आयरन की कमी हो सकती है?
Phase of emergency was something which we have not seen in post-independence era.
This word is pronounced as emergency, emergency, not emergency, emergency.
कि इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन में करना क्या चाहिए ये बहुत कम लोगों को आज भी पता है.
Has been fighting obesity from a very young age because of his asthma.
Asthma.
This word is not pronounced as asthma, it's asthma, asthma.
वो देखो उसका भी asthma है. He has fought obesity throughout his life. Has been fighting obesity from a very young age.
Diabetes, hypertension, obesity.
It's obesity, obesity, not obesity, obesity.
That is why I understand what obesity is today.
I've had to deal with obesity, I've had to deal with success failure.
एक मच्छर आपको डेंगू दे सकता है.
डेंगू और एक और कोविड का.
This word is pronounced as dengue, dengue, not dengue, dengue.
मुझे डेंगू था, मैं हॉस्पिटल में थी.
पता मैं पंजाब से आई, मेरे को कोल्ड कफ हो गया.
This word is pronounced as cough, cough, not cough, cough.
Earlier, I used to give it to them only when they had a slight cough.
तेरे फेस पे एक्ने थे.
तो मुझे ना बहुत एक्ने की प्रॉब्लम थी.
This word is pronounced as acne, acne, not acne, acne.
Boric dermatitis and acne.
This word is pronounced as hereditary, hereditary, not hereditary, hereditary.
Cancer can be hereditary or in the genes.
Uttarakhand, which is like filled with so much of greenery and pure oxygen.
This word is pronounced as oxygen, oxygen, not oxygen, oxygen.
It's like oxygen.
जिससे हम ऑक्सीजन और कई
Cleanliness.
This word is pronounced as cleanliness, cleanliness, not cleanliness, cleanliness.
I'm not interested in cleanliness as a photo op.
I think cleanliness.
He talks about cleanliness in so much passion.
The genetics of cancer.
This word is pronounced as genetics, genetics, not genetics, genetics.
While the doctors are telling me it's all genetic.
But I'm seeing it, and I'm seeing the genetic.
This word can be pronounced in two ways. You can either say vitamin,
I'm going to do vitamin C. It's like a sort of like a vitamin.
or you can say vitamin. Both of these pronunciations are correct.
You can't combine vitamin C with something else.
Vitamin C is an antioxidant.
सबके हार्मोन्स अलग होते हैं.
This word is not pronounced as hormone, it's hormone. Hormone. You can drop the r sound as we do in British English. You can also pronounce it like we do in American English and say hormone.
And because of that, there was also like a hormone problem.
This word is pronounced as biology. Biology. Not biology, biology.
It isn't biology.
Because now they know the biology of it.
But in this word, the stress pattern changes a little. This word is pronounced as biological. Biological. The stress here is on the third syllable.
The biological clock is real.
Still prefer having their own biological child.
This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned the correct way of pronouncing these 20 words. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Please subscribe to Unscrew English for more such videos. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you next time.